6 ideas for decorating your table. 6 ideas to dress up your table for your next dinner party or family event. Make your colour theme stand out in a few key places like the tablecloth or table runner, the napkins, the dishes, or the centrepiece. Fill glass mixing bowls with bright red apples, citrus, or fill them with water and float a few flowers on the surface. A collection of mason jars on a table provides a homespun, relaxed atmosphere. Use wine or beer bottles. Set aside a few bottles from your previous party and peel off the labels. Nothing makes a table look more elegant than soft, glowing candles. Lemons, limes and oranges add bright pops of colour to a table without breaking the budget. Visit us at www.fiori.com.au.